Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to find templates for CapCut. If you want to use CapCut template for TikTok and Instagram Reels, you can use these templates to have a cooler content. In order to have this one, go to your browser and type this link, or you could also directly click the link below. Here, you can see different templates. Just tap the templates that you like and you will be directed to your CapCut application. Another way is to choose directly to your CapCut application. As soon as you open your CapCut application, tap Templates and choose here the template that you like. Then tap it and also tap Use Template. And now, choose the photo or video you would like to have. Then, tap Preview. Here, you can edit more your video by tapping each of the boxes, and also you can change the text in here. After editing, tap Export. You can export it directly to your TikTok without watermark. Or you can just simply export it on your CapCut and share it with other social media accounts. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.